Hey, Nigel. Nigel.
He'd make an awesome fur muff.
Yeah. Uh-oh. His tail's starting to go. He's getting more on alert.
I don't know what these things mean, okay? I can't read woodchuck.
Oh, that could be
Well,
another from
when the
my
tail
food,
turns
too.
into a bottle brush,
He's
then you
literally
really
gonna
want to
get
watch
his nose chopped off by one of these hawks. One over there
When
wanted
I
to
jumped
eat
on it,
gall.
to stay my weight and crush an animal.
it.
I'm sorry, Greenville, all it might be you.
Save yourself!
It's amazing how he can flatten himself down, though.
I love how he pre-flattens
Yes.
before he goes under something.
It's like the hydraulics go.
Right? He turns off the lid.
Oh my
Drops
gosh,
it like
does
it's
it
hot.
He does drop it.
Yeah, they can squeeze through pretty amazing little, when they're
Oh my
babies too,
God.
they're like jelly balls.
so bad.
What's in there?
Oh, he's like got the rankest poo and he's got parasites in it.
Nigel, what you
Do you have
doing?
parasites, Mom?
I do know parasites fairly well. I've had most of them.
I was gonna say she knows them personally.
Gave a few my boyfriend once.
This is all getting on
I brought
video.
my
So.
own poo for the phone.
Why does this always happen when we're on video?
Hi. Hi.
Can you turn the sound off again? Jackie and I are here.
Yeah. That's okay. I've gotten way used to editing. I listen to everything on high volume so I can pick up all the little conversations and know what I need to edit. Be careful. Be careful.
Diane loves woodchuck.
I want to watch Angie jump.
Yeah, that'll be.
Be careful.
Is it? Okay. Attacks.
Duck loose?
No, woodchuck.
Worse.
Oh, Nigel?
Yeah.